Silver has just surged plus 9.11% to $87.72. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, May 12th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 preview inflation data on tap as Q1 earnings wind down. Investing.com. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 ticked up to $7,412.84, plus 0.19% on the session. Equity markets are responding to reports that it's a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume, seeking alpha. NASDAQ 100 ticked up to $29,321, plus 0.29% on the session. Dow Jones ticked up to $49,704, plus 0.19% on the session. DAX held steady to $24,350, plus 0.05% on the session. FTSE 100 ticked up to $10,269, plus 0.35% on the session. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. LVMH is trading lower by minus 4.38% to $452. ExxonMobil is trading higher by plus 3.53% to $149.68. Reliance is trading lower by minus 3.27% to $1,388.20. Alphabet is trading lower by minus 3.03% to $388.64. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven flows. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 preview inflation data on tap as Q1 earnings wind down. Investing.com. Rate expectations remain the dominant macro driver for equities and currencies. Any surprise, hawkish or dovish, has the potential to trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records, boosted by RE and earnings optimism. Turning to commodities. Brent crude surged to $104.84 per barrel, up 3.5% on the session. WTI crude surged to $98.70 per barrel, up 3.44% on the session. Natural gas surged to $2.92, up 5.84% on the session. Gold edged higher to $4,756 per troy ounce, up 0.75% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off. The gold move is partly driven by why gold isn't acting like a safe haven right now. Think Economic and Financial Analysis. Think. The move follows reports that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. Let us give you our near-term view on silver. From a momentum perspective, the next key level for silver is around $92.11. A clean break above that could open the door for further upside. The key risk to this thesis is any surprise in central bank commentary or a deterioration in global risk sentiment. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.18, gaining 0% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.36, losing 0.02% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 157.52, gaining 0.42% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the week ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and key data releases. Any of these could be the catalyst that defines the next directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? We read every comment and often feature viewer questions in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.